Exercise 6.3 of chapter Triangles. The similarity of triangles are of the four criterias. AA, angle, angle. Second one is AAA, angle, angle, angle. Third one is SAS and fourth is SSS. The ratio of all three sides are equal. In this, the ratio of two sides and including angle are equal. Two angles are equal and all three angles are equal of two triangles. The question number 11. The question number 11, in the figure, E is the point on the side BC produced of an isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB equal to AC and AD perpendicular to BC and BF perpendicular to AC. Prove that ABD similar to triangle ECF. This is a figure. We have to prove that triangle ABD similar to ECF. Right. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle D equal to angle E. Both are 90 degree. Angle ADB equal to angle CFE. Given. Both are 90 degree and given. And next, AB equal to AC. The angle B equal to angle C. AB equal to AC, angle B equal to angle C. Triangle ABD equal to angle ECF. AB equal to AC. Property of isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF by AA criteria. If two angles are equal, it means triangles are similar. Next question. The sides AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the PQ, QR and median PM. Show that ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Triangle in triangle ABC, AB and PQ, BC upon QR and AD upon PM given. These are the proportional. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AD upon PM given. These are the proportional. We have to prove that the triangle ABC is similar to the PQR. Then AB upon PQ, BC equal to 2 times BD, because AD is a median, 2 QM and AD upon PM. 2 cancel. In AB upon PQ, BD upon QM, AD upon PM. It means triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM by SSS criteria. Therefore, angle B equal to angle Q by similarity. Angle B equal to angle Q. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, angle B equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. B equal to Q and AB upon PQ and BC upon QR already given. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Proved. Next question. Question number 13. D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that ADC equal to angle D equal to angle A. Show that CA square equal to CB dot CD. Angle A equal to angle D. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC. ADC. Angle BAC equal to angle ADC given, and angle ACB equal to angle ACD, common angle. This angle is common. Therefore, triangle BAC similar to triangle ADC by AA criteria. Next, if they are similar, the sides are in proportional. AC upon CD, these two, AC upon CD equal to BC upon BC means BC upon AC. Cross multiplying, AC square equal to BC dot CD. Proved. Question number 14. AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are proportional to PQ, PR and PM. They have proved that ABC similar to PQR. In this question, AB proportional to PQ, AC proportional to PR and AD proportional to PM. Hence prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Produced AD equal to D and join AD equal to D. In this, PM equal to N, PM equal to MN. The D is the midpoint of BC and AD is the midpoint of A. Therefore, ABEC is a parallelogram. Similarly, PQNR is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram, it means BE equal to AC and QN equal to PR. Clear? Next, AB equal to PQ and AC upon PR and AD equal to AD upon PM. These are the given that AB equal to PQ, AC upon AC equal to BE, the BE upon QN, PR equal to QN, equal to A, BC upon QN, and AD 2AD upon 2PM. C. AB equal to PQ, BE equal to QN and AE equal upon PN. Therefore, triangle ABE similar to PQN. Triangle ABE similar to triangle PQN. If these are triangles angle, it means this angle is 1, angle 2, 3 and 4. Angle 1 equal to 2 equal to by similarity. Okay. Similarly, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Adding 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 4. 1 plus 3 equal to angle A equal to angle P. Angle A equal to angle P. See in the figure. AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. This is given that, and angle A equal to angle P. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SAS criteria. First, we have to prove that ABEC is a parallelogram, PQNR is a parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other, therefore it is a parallelogram. Then again sides are equal. First prove similarity, angle 1 equal to angle this, and so on. Next. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter on the ground. At the same time, a tower cast a shadow 28 meter. Find the height of the tower. AB is a pole, height pole 6 meter and shadow 4 meter. And PQ is a tower, height h and shadow 20 h. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B equal to angle Q 90 degree and angle A equal to angle P sun's altitude. These two triangles are similar. If they are similar, it means the ratio in their sides AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. AB means 6 upon H equal to 4 by 28. 4H equal to 6 into 28. 4 7 ja 28, 6 7 ja 42. The height of the tower is 42 meter. Question number 16. The AD and PM are the medians of a triangle ABC such that AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where ABC is similar to PQR. Prove that AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. It means AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR and AC upon PR. AB upon PQ equal to BC means half of BC, half of QR. Half of BC is BD equal to QM. AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM. AD upon BD upon QM. And angle B equal to angle Q by the similarity. Angle B equal to angle Q. B equal to Q, ratio equal, it means triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. If they are similar, it means AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM. The sides are proportional. Okay, complete.